Hey guys, so good afternoon. So today is the moving out and clearing of my stuff. So kagabi actually, nag-clear na kami ng ibang damit ko sa cabinet. That's the easiest thing to clear up. So now we're gonna remove, of course, yung mga picture ng parents ko there. Some stuff here. The TV, I'm gonna give this to my dad kasi this is bagong TV, so hindi ko siya bebenta with the unit. So I'll give it to my dad. 65-inch yan. Maganda yan. Sayang eh. Of course, the PlayStation, di kasama yan, guys. So if ever somebody's gonna get the unit, ang may iiwan lang, guys, is really this, the table set. All the stuff that I bought when I moved here, which is washing machine, a fridge that still has warranty for, what, 7 years? The microwave and toaster, yeah. And of course, kasama na, you know, what's in the unit itself, diba? Then, what else? Of course, yung dalawang aircon, pinalit ko lang naman is the pin lights. The bed frame that will go, stay here. The couch will stay. Of course, the aircon. Then the cabinets. And the bathroom, guys. Ito, yung banyo. Diba? So, nag-clear up na rin ako ng stuff. Konti na lang. It's quite easy when it's a small unit, guys. Diba? And then like I said, it's in front of, the view is basically this. Mitsukoshi Mall. So, it's a Sunday, so wala masyadong kotse. Wala masyadong tao on the road. Everybody's in the rallies now around the Philippines, around Metro Manila. Diba? So, ako naman, I'm here. Clearing up my condo, and it's been good, guys. I've been living here for almost 3 years. Very, you know, I never had really personally any issues with the condo itself or the building itself, and the people that if I ever had problems, very minor problems, if I have to replace something in the bathroom, the people who work here, yung mga what do you call this? Mga plumbers, mga electricians, they're very quick to come up, which is good. And I get their personal numbers, which helps also. Hey guys, yung breaker nandito, internet is here, just in case. So re-reconnect na lang yan kapag meron mag-move in. Ayan. So malapit na. So Noel is coming here to help me. I already put some stuff in the balikbayan box. Not so big, sakto lang. And I already moved some stuff already. Yeah. So it's been great. I mean, I have a lot of memories in this place. A couple of my friends, we stayed there, played PlayStation. Even before I met Andrea, I had this place already. Diba? And you know, I didn't use it as much as I could have because I'm always in Makati and always with my partner, si Andrea. So, bihira kami dito. Sometimes we want to come here, if we want to go to Mitsukoshi, dito na kami matutulog and relax. And yeah, for the most part, I knew naman from the start when I bought it, kasi nga, it's not a big unit, that I would be moving elsewhere kapag, you know, when you want to start a family, if you met somebody and you want a bigger place, talagang, you're gonna look for a bigger place. But for, when I was single at the time, I thought this was enough na. Which it was, guys. It was naman. Nakakatawa, may TV pa dito. So, normally kasi, guys, yung ibang tao, they put like a sofa bed. Tapos that's their like family room in this area. Tapos they close this. You could slide it. Yan, si Noel. Oh. Noel, hi. So Noel magtutulong sa akin na yun. He's gonna help me out moving this stuff sa car. So konti lang naman. May balikbayan box yan. Puno na yan. Noel, meron din sa So ito, bubble wrap natin to mga plates, guys. Galing sa Alabang pa to from my mom. So I don't wanna leave it here, of course. So it's konti lang naman. Konting plates and cups. Yan. Ito lang. Bubble wrap natin. Ito wala naman eh. And I'll bring my pan. I like my pan. Let's go! Saan ba tayo? Ayan ako. Left. Careful. Ano? Ledge? Are you gonna miss the condo?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, it's okay. Nice naman. Nice view. Oh? This is what I'll miss, to be honest. This lang.
That lang?
Yeah.
View.
The view. And hindi naman. Actually, TV lang naman. But I lived there for what? We lived there for almost 3 years. Pero in and out. Not consistent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go, Noel.
So, half time. Ito pinagutom. Kasha! Hi, babe.
Hi.
Ayan, mga lipat bahay gang. Nagnakaw gang. Okay.
Okay, go.
So this goes here. Malaki oh.
Laki, grabe.
To what time again pa?
2 p.m.
PM sa lobby.
Okay. Bye ba?
Bye. Thanks.
Bye.
Hi, Tita. Bye.
Okay. Okay guys, we're here at Andrea's condo. Noel, kaway. Shout out ka kay Fanny. Hi babe.
Thanks to Noel.
Noel was the one talaga nag-help sa amin. Magbuhat ng napakabigat na TV. Actually yung box, grabe. Yung mga box natin. So all my clothes are here guys. So if you're wondering why I'm here, kasi for the meantime, this is where we'll stay. Tapos siguro in a few months when we check other units back in BGC. Babalik naman kami sa BGC. This is in Makati, guys. So you know. So, but we'll be back in BGC. We're gonna do condo tours and vlog natin yan for you. Ang mga gusto namin condo, actually, kami ni Andrea. One is Mitsukoshi, diba, yung The Seasons. The other one's Hyatt, diba? Then there's also East and West Gallery. Those three, no babe?
Yeah.
Those three. So, tignan natin kung ano. For now, ang ganda, guys. Oh. So, this is like, it doesn't seem smaller than the unit in Uptown, pero actually, this is smaller. This is 7 square meters smaller. Pero yung layout niya, mas gusto ko. Kasi, hindi siya pahaba. It's like a square. Mas okay siya. Yan, we have a bench here. This is my old TV from the condo before I got a new one. Now my dad has the big TV. Napakasaya ng dad ko. Maganda yung TV niya. Tapos, yeah, this is the kitchen. You know, kitchen. And the entrance. Yan, may box pa tayo. And the entrance. There's storage here. Yeah, storage. And the bathroom, guys. Yeah, yun yung bathroom. Shower. And towels and that. So all our stuff is here now. Yeah, guys, so this is the vlog of us taking out all the stuff sa Uptown. And in the coming vlogs, you will see magtutour tayo and just check other condos back in BGC. So see you on my next vlog. But the Uptown is still available as of this vlog. So if you're really interested, just comment or just hit me a PM and I'll reply to you kagad. Take care guys, God bless. Bye!
Bye!
Say bye!
Bye.